Yeah, it's on the way.
Pan! Hammer! Yeah, we had oil squirted out because the hose wasn't hooked up just right.
Well, we have our baler and we're going to bale our neighbor's hay, and so we're going to fix it up. So it's in a little bit of rough shape, so we're going to replace some belts and some chains and some of the pickup and just get it in better shape for baling this year.
Good job, Abby. Yeah, we had oil squirted out because the hose wasn't hooked up just right. Okay, we'll get her cleaned out. Okay, and then just back up and get a hole shot. It's pretty easy.
Okay, I've got to take this chain off.
So we're taking a video so we know we do it right. Put it back on.
Yeah.
Okay, we can get to connecting now. That's good, Abby.
Alright, we are back out here. The last thing you watched was on Monday. It is now Wednesday, so it had been a little bit rainy on the past 2 days, or day and a half. And so in that time, on Monday we just kind of went over it, cleaned the hay out, which you saw us do, and then we kind of just wrote a list of everything that we needed. So what we're going to do, we're going to replace these belts, some chains, a compression rack tooth, which is what we're going to be doing right now, and then, see, I believe it is this sensor right up there somewhere that needs replaced too. So from John Deere we needed the compression rack tooth and the sensor, which we got those yesterday, and then the other stuff, the belts and the chain and then some pickup teeth, we have to wait for those, which they're either going to be coming on Speedy today or tomorrow. So we're gonna, here is the new compression rack tooth that we need to put on, so we'll see if we can't get this put on.
Yeah.
We're in Buster when it will break, and then we're back in.
When did we get the 44? Alright, our belts and teeth and chains came yesterday, so we're installing those right now. We've got 2 out of 8 done so far, so that's what we're doing. What we're doing is we're hooking the new one to the old one, and then as we're pulling the old one out, it pulls the new one in. Makes it a lot easier.
Yes.
Let's go, Abby.
Am I supposed to
Look all around and show them what
It's number 4.
fixing up the baler.
4.
We're now getting the belts on.
Okay, go.
Watch what we're doing. Look at us. Look at Papa.
No, you're still pulling down.
Alright.
And Abby is over here.
Down, Abby.
We
Yeah.
Go down, just
It's fine right there. Go, Abby.
You can't get it out of lean too quick.
Go, Abby.
The John Deere baler 5:30.
Jerk it hard
5:30.
once.
We are fixing up for
Okay,
hay
hang on.
season.
I'll help you. Go around and look at Abby too, Lemuel.
Okay. Here's Abby. You can't see her very good.
Abby?
Do you want me to start pulling?
Yeah. You with it. Pin! Hammer!
Yeah, it's on the way.
Pin! Hammer! Pin?
Oh, he's got safety goggles this time.
Let me get my thing.
Hammer! Get with it, Lemuel. Beat it like it cussed your mama. Go.
Let's do with number 3 on the west side.
There you go. Let's go.
Alright, we've got 4 done and we've got 4 more to do. So we're gonna keep at it. We've got a pretty good system going now, so it works pretty good right now. Alright, that's another one. 3 left.
Remember I said you
He's doing good.
Okay, let's do here, give me that one. We're going to do, I'll show you the technique that we used when we was miners and building railroads. Hey, I hit once, you hit once. Ready? When I was a dwarf and we were mining and building railroads, this is what I done. I hit, you hit. Go. Got it.
Okay, now we are going to go over and see how well that chain will fit.
Tightening. You're tightening gear pulley.
Today is the day before Mother's Day. I honestly don't know what day that is, but it is the day before Mother's Day, so go check your calendars, see what today is. Well, it's been a little bit since we were working on the baler, a couple days, but I'm gonna just film a little bit of kind of the overall what we did to recondition the baler. This is the monitor that we installed that goes with the baler. It is a 530 John Deere baler. So this is the monitor that went with it. We got the 44. I think it was in 2018, I believe Papa said. So we've had it for 2 years, I think. And so before that, we just used an open cab tractor. So we never installed the monitor, but now we use this tractor, and so we installed the monitor on here. The bale shape indicator, the left side, I think it was the left side. The sensor for the left side was not working, so we had to replace that. Alright, so this is our 530 John Deere baler. and I'm going to show you what all we did on it. So as you can see, these are all new belts, 4 long ones and 4 short ones. We replaced those. This was the hardest thing to replace, and it actually wasn't that bad. And then, so we had to order the belts. And then down here, we replaced one of the compression racks one of the compression racks teeth. We did not have to order that. We bought that. We just went and picked it up. And then we had to replace, I don't know if you can see it very well, but that sensor up in there, right there, that white thing, we had to replace that. We did not have to order that either. And let's see, we replaced some chain. We got a little bit of footage of that, and we had to order that. And then some of the pickup teeth down here need replacing. They were broken, and then we put all new ones. The ends didn't really have any, so we put all new ones on the end. And we did not get any footage of that, sadly. But it was kind of a really hard job because we didn't have much hand space or work space. And yeah, it just wasn't very fun. But we got that done, and now our baler is good to go for the year.
Y'all come back now. Cheers.